Hi, my name is Gary Davidson, and this video is for CIVE 3203 Structural Analysis at Carleton University. In this video, I will explain the assumptions that underlie the cantilever method of analysis. Firstly, the cantilever method is very similar to the portal method in that in the cantilever method we are solving for the axial forces in the columns rather than the shears in the columns with the portal method. The first assumption is that the entire frame acts like a cantilever and thus deforms laterally like a single vertical cantilever. For this reason, a narrow and tall frame works best as it more closely resembles and acts like a cantilever. The second assumption is that because the entire frame acts like a cantilever, the axial strain in the columns is proportional to the column's distance to the neutral axis that we find using the column thickness and the relative distance. From this, we are assuming that the column's material are linear and therefore stress is proportional to strain. Just like a strain profile for a cantilever, the columns on one side of the neutral axis will be in compression and the columns on the other side of the neutral axis will be in tension. The last assumption is that we assume that the left column to have a stress value of sigma 1, and we find the stresses in the other columns as a function of this based on their relative distance to the neutral axis. To solve for force, we use force equals stress times area, and then we solve the system using our equations of equilibrium. I hope this video helped.